This is one of the best strategies I have been using to make massive profit trading volatility 75 index. Now the time frame is 1 hour time frame. I will show you how to do the settings, how to do what, set up the indicators. Only two indicators you need. You need the what? Only two indicators. Now what I want you to do is to pay attention to the settings and the time frame. Do you understand? Do not apply this strategy on another time frame and expecting the same result. The time frame here is 1 hour time frame, volatility 75 index. If you can maintain every aspect of these settings, obey everything, put in the correct data for the settings, believe me, you will make massive profit. Do you understand? So do not go and apply it on 5 minutes time frame and expecting similar results. No, you must apply it on the right time frame, which is what, 1 hour time frame, volatility 75 index. Now before we proceed, I will show you how to do the settings, how to show you how to set up the indicators. So before that, let me delete the current ADX settings. So on my screen now, the only indicator on my chart now is envelope indicator. So let me show you the settings for the envelope indicator. Then after that, we insert the ADX. So here is what envelope indicator. So here are what the settings for envelope indicator. Here are what the settings for envelope indicator. The period is 50, deviation 0.100, method simple, apply to close. So the upper band color is green 2 pixel, while the lower band color is red. Do you understand? So that is for envelopes indicator. You can write it down or screenshot it. This is what very important. If you mix any of them, believe me, you will not get similar results. Do you understand? So write it down or screenshot it. So that is for envelopes indicator. Once you are done, you hit the word done. Now let's insert the ADX indicator. ADX indicator. So you hit here. Look at where there is ADX. Now on my screen, the first indicator here is what? ADX. The first indicator here is what? ADX. So you click on it. So here are what the settings for what? ADX. Here are what the settings for ADX. The period is 100. You understand? The period is 100. Okay, so this is the default setting. Let me start afresh. So the period, this is what you see on your screen if you're on a default. So let's do the settings from scratch. So change the 14 to 100. Do you understand? So the pixel, change it to 1 pixel, change the color to white. Do you understand? So change here to 4 pixel. Then the second one, the third one, change it to 4 pixel. Now change the color of this one to red. So this is all you need for ADX setup. So once you are done setting it up this way, you hit what? Done. So let's go to our chart. So this is what our chart, the envelope indicator and the ADX indicator are already down. So the next thing is how to make use of this indicator and record massive profits. Do you understand? So let me show you. Pay attention so that you don't mix any part of this. Now when there is a simultaneous crossing between the candlesticks crossing the envelopes indicator and the At the same time, in the side of ADX, the ADX crosses over. Do you understand? So when the green line of ADX crosses above, that is what a buy signal. So for instance, as you can see, the green line of ADX crosses above here, while the candlestick crosses this envelopes indicator. So this is what a clear buy signal. Do you understand? As you can see, both of them occur at the same time. So this is what a simultaneous crossing strategy. Do you understand? So once the crossing occur simultaneously, that is what a perfect entry for you. Do you understand? So let's proceed. Now watch here. As you can see here, look at this. See the crossing here. Crossing occur here, but in the side of ADX there is no crossing. As you can see, there is no crossing in the side of ADX, but there is crossing in the envelope indicator and the chart. So this is what avoid signal. We don't trade it. What we are looking for is a simultaneous crossing. Do you understand? So this next crossing here, as you can see, the ADS crosses here, but at this point there is no crossing. This is the candlestick here. So what we are looking for is a simultaneous crossing. So we proceed. Now watch here. As you can see, there is a simultaneous crossing here. Are you seeing it? So the ADS crosses at the same time the candlestick crosses the envelopes indicator, as you can see. So this is what a perfect sell entry. Are you seeing it? So we proceed. Here is another one. So let's check it. Are you seeing it? So this is the simultaneous crossing. The ADS crosses over and the candlestick crosses the envelopes indicator. So this is what a clear buy entry. Are you seeing it? As easy as that. So we proceed. Now here is another one. Here is what another one, as you can see. So this is what a clear sell entry. This is what a clear sell entry, as you can see. From the side of ADX there is a crossing here, and from the side of envelopes indicator there is what a simultaneous crossing. So we buy, we sell. Do you understand? So this is all about this indicator, and this is how you keep on using it, and you will be recording massive profit. Do you understand? So don't forget, this is volatility 75 index 1 hour time frame. So if you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video so that others will benefit. So this is Optimal FX, where profitable strategies are being shared. Hit the subscribe button and share the video so that others will benefit. Thank you.